Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to do completing the square. So to do completing the square, the first step is to factorize. We have to take out a from the whole equation. So to do this, we should divide the whole equation by a. So ax squared divided by a is x squared. Bx divided by a is b over ax. C divided by a is c over a. And the next step, we have to use 1 over 2 multiply by b over a, and then square the whole term. So we get plus b over 2a bracket square minus b over 2a bracket square plus c over a. And then now we have to look at the first three terms inside the square bracket. So we have to eliminate the middle term. So there are two terms left, x squared and b over 2a bracket square. So we need to group these two terms together. And we notice that these two terms are squared. So we can group them in the same bracket, x plus b over 2a bracket square. And then minus b squared over 4a squared, because 2a squared, 2 squared is 4, a squared is a squared, plus c over a. Lastly, we need to multiply a with every term inside the square bracket. So a multiply with x plus b over 2a bracket square, we get a bracket x plus b over 2a bracket square. A times negative b squared over 4a squared, we get minus b squared over 4a. And a multiplied with c over a, we get c. So the final general equation after completing the square is like this. In the next video, I will show you some real examples so you can have a better understanding. See you in the next video. Bye bye.